Welcome to our exploration of greenhouse gases and their role in climate change chemistry. Today, we'll dive into the molecular world of carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases that are fundamentally altering our planet's climate. Understanding the chemistry behind global warming is essential for anyone concerned about our environmental future. Greenhouse gases are atmospheric gases that possess a unique molecular property. They trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. Think of them like an invisible blanket wrapped around Earth. When sunlight reaches our planet, some energy is absorbed and some is reflected back. Greenhouse gases intercept this outgoing heat radiation and redirect it back toward Earth's surface, causing temperatures to rise. Let's understand how the greenhouse effect actually works. Solar energy from the sun travels to Earth's surface, where it's absorbed and converted into heat. The Earth then radiates this heat back towards space as infrared radiation. However, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb this infrared radiation and trap it, preventing the heat from escaping. This trapped energy warms our atmosphere and surface, creating what we call the greenhouse effect. Three major greenhouse gases drive climate change. Carbon dioxide, with the chemical formula CO₂, is the main driver of global warming and primarily comes from burning fossil fuels. Methane, CH₄, is significantly more potent than carbon dioxide, but exists in smaller quantities in our atmosphere. Nitrous oxide, N2O, has a strong warming effect and is released mostly from agricultural activities like fertilizer use and livestock farming. Carbon dioxide enters our atmosphere from both human activities and natural processes. Human activities include burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, cutting down forests through deforestation, various industrial processes, and transportation emissions from cars, trucks, and airplanes. Natural sources include respiration from living organisms, release from ocean waters, and volcanic eruptions. However, human activities have dramatically increased atmospheric carbon dioxide levels beyond what natural processes alone would produce. Methane emissions come from diverse sources across agriculture, energy production, and waste management. Agricultural activities are major contributors. Livestock like cattle produce methane during digestion, rice paddies release methane from waterlogged soil conditions, and manure management systems emit significant quantities. Energy and waste sources include leaks from natural gas infrastructure, decomposition in landfills, coal mining operations, and natural wetlands. While methane exists in smaller amounts than carbon dioxide, its powerful heat-trapping ability makes it a critical target for climate action. Not all greenhouse gases are equal in their warming power. Scientists measure this using global warming potential over a 100-year timescale. Methane is 28 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide over a century. This means 1 kilogram of methane warms the atmosphere as much as 28 kilograms of carbon dioxide. This higher potency explains why reducing methane emissions can have rapid climate benefits, even though carbon dioxide is more abundant. The accumulation of greenhouse gases produces devastating climate impacts worldwide. Rising global temperatures are melting glaciers and warming oceans. Melting ice caps and thermal expansion of seawater cause rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. Ocean acidification occurs when excess carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater, disrupting marine ecosystems and threatening coral reefs and shellfish populations. Addressing climate change requires reducing greenhouse gas emissions through multiple strategies. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power replace fossil fuel combustion. Reforestation and carbon capture technologies remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in trees or underground. Energy efficiency improvements reduce the amount of fuel needed for heating, cooling, transportation, and manufacturing. Sustainable transportation, including public transit, electric vehicles, and cycling infrastructure, decreases emissions from the transportation sector. Understanding greenhouse gases and their chemistry empowers us to make informed decisions about protecting our planet. The molecular properties of carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases determine how they trap heat and drive climate change. Both natural and human sources contribute to atmospheric greenhouse gas levels, but human activities have pushed concentrations far beyond historical norms. By applying our knowledge of climate chemistry, we can develop and support solutions that reduce emissions, capture existing greenhouse gases, and build a more sustainable future for all life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.